And inside this mega factory, they're transformed into fuel. Every year, millions of waste tires pile up across the world. These tires are not just waste, they're a hidden energy source. The process begins with sorting and feeding the tires. Massive shredders break them into smaller pieces. These pieces move deeper into the processing system. Steel wires are removed using powerful magnets, leaving behind pure rubber material. Now comes the core process, pyrolysis. Tires are heated in an oxygen-free environment. Vapor rises and moves through cooling pipelines. This is pyrolysis oil, a powerful industrial fuel. Solid residue becomes carbon black. Used in rubber, paint, and construction industries. Even the gas is reused to fuel the system. A self-sustaining energy cycle. Thousands of liters of fuel produced daily. And shipped to power industries worldwide. Turning pollution into powerful energy.
And that's how millions of waste tires become fuel.